Ever heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? Well, when it comes to your income, this is the golden rule you want to follow. So imagine for a second, if you could have multiple streams of income flowing into your bank account like a mighty river. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today we're going to explore how you can create multiple streams of income and unlock your path to financial freedom. Get ready, because this is going to change the way that you think about money. Now, if you're new here and you find value in today's video, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and also ring the bell so you never miss a tip again. So if you're ready to get started, I'm definitely ready. Let's go.
On the night I was born, the rain was pouring, God was crying, lightning struck, power outage, sparks was flying, the real one's here.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Mike Macklin, aka Money Mike, the financial Thanos, because I'm snapping my fingers and I'm turning your financial problems to dust. In our previous videos, we've covered essential topics like saving, investing, and wealth preservation. Well, today you're in for a treat because we're going to dive into multiple streams of income. What we're going to talk about today is why multiple streams are so important, the different types of income streams you can produce, and how you can start building your own. So without any further ado, let's get it going. First, let's talk about why multiple streams of income are so important. Having just one source of income, like your job for instance, can be very risky. What if you lose your job or you get a pay cut? What multiple streams of income do is they provide financial security and stability. They allow you to weather these financial storms, reach your goals much faster, and give you the freedom to pursue your passions without constantly having to worry about money. Think of it like this. Having multiple streams of income is like having a financial safety net. If one stream dries up, others can keep you afloat. Plus, it accelerates your wealth builder journey, helping you achieve financial independence much sooner. Now that we know why it's important, let's explore the different types of income streams you can create. There are various types of income streams that you can build. Here are some of the most popular and effective ones. Number one, earned income. This is income you get from your job or business. It's the most common type of income, but also the most taxing, both literally and figuratively. Number two is profit income. This is income you earn from buying and selling products or services. This could be a side business or an e-commerce store. Next, we got interest income. Interest income is money earned from lending your money out to other people. This could be through savings accounts, bonds, or even peer-to-peer lending platforms. Next, we got dividend income. Dividend income is income from owning stocks that pay dividends. This is an absolutely great way to earn money passively if you invest in the right companies. Next up is rental income. This is money earned from renting out properties. This can be a lucrative stream, but it requires some upfront investment and management. Next on the list, we got capital gains. These are profits from selling investments like stocks, real estate, or other assets. Now, timing is crucial here to maximize these gains. Next up on the list, we got royalty income. This is money earned from licensing your ideas, music, books, patents, or other intellectual property. Another one we got is residual income, my favorite. This is income that keeps coming in after the work is done, such as book sales, online courses, or membership sites. Each type of income has its pros and cons, and the key is to diversify. Do not rely solely on one stream. Instead, you want to aim to build multiple streams that complement each other. Now, let's look at some practical steps to start building your multiple streams of income today. Building multiple streams of income might sound daunting, but it is totally achievable with the right approach. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. The first thing you want to do is assess your skills and your interests. You want to start by identifying your skills, interests, and the resources you have available to you. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Your answers can guide you to suitable income streams. Number two, you want to start with one income stream. You don't want to try to build multiple streams of income at once. Start with one that aligns with your skills and interests and gradually add more as you become comfortable. Next, you want to create a plan. Develop a detailed plan for each income stream. Set goals, outline steps, and establish a timeline. Planning helps you stay focused and organized. Next up, you want to educate yourself. Invest time in learning about your chosen income streams. Read books, take courses, and follow industry experts. Guys, knowledge is power in this situation. Next, you want to take action. Begin implementing your plan. Start small, be consistent, and stay patient. Building income streams takes time and effort, but the rewards are definitely worth it. Now you want to automate and delegate. So as your income streams start to grow, you want to look for ways to automate, process, and delegate tasks. What this does is it allows you to focus on building new streams while maintaining existing ones. Next, you want to monitor and adjust your plans. Regularly review your progress, track your earnings, and adjust your strategies as needed. Flexibility is definitely a key to long-term success in building multiple streams of income. Now remember, the goal is to build sustainable income streams that can grow over time. Now, let's take a closer look at some examples of how you can apply these steps in real life. Imagine you're a graphic designer. Your earned income comes from client progress. You could also create design templates to sell online, invest your earnings in dividend-paying stocks, and write a book on design principles. The next scenario, the entrepreneur. You run a small online store, you get profit income. You invest a portion of your profits into rental properties, rental income, and peer-to-peer lending platforms, interest income. Additionally, you start a YouTube channel to share business tips, earning in revenue and sponsorships, which is residual income. Another example you got is the professional. You work a full-time job, which is earned income, and contribute to a high-yield savings account, interest income. You also invest in a diverse portfolio of stocks and bonds, dividend income and capital gains, and create an online course related to your field of expertise, residual income. See, these are just examples to show that multiple streams of income can be tailored to your unique situation and goals. Now, before we wrap up, let's address some common questions about building multiple streams of income. Number one, is it possible to manage multiple streams of income while working a full-time job? And the answer to this is yes. You want to start small and gradually build your streams up. Automate those processes and delegate tasks when possible to manage your time effectively. Number two, how long does it take to build multiple income streams? Well, the answer to this, honestly, it varies. It varies depending on the income streams and your level of effort. Some may take months, while others could take years. The key to this is patience and persistence. A third question is, do I need a lot of money to start building multiple streams of income? Well, not necessarily. See, some income streams, like starting a blog or a YouTube channel like I did, requires very minimal upfront investment. You can just start with what you have, like a camera and things like that, and you can scale up as you grow. All right, so let's summarize the key points and wrap up. As we conclude, remember that multiple streams of income are essential for financial security and freedom. By diversifying your income sources, you can achieve your goals faster and protect yourself from financial setbacks. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions, so drop them down in the comments below and let's keep the conversation going. Together, we can achieve financial freedom and security. Also, if you found this video helpful at all, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and strategies. Now, making boatloads of money from multiple sources is great, but you're also going to want to make sure that you've taken steps to properly protect your money. Fortunately, as always, I've got you covered. So I did a video last week talking about wealth and asset preservation that I think you'll absolutely love. So I'll put it up on the end screen so you can check that out next. Well, folks, that's all the time I have for now. Thanks so much for checking out my channel. I definitely appreciate it. And as always, I love you. God loves you. He smiles when he sees you, and he sees you all the time, so he's always smiling. So why aren't we? Hey, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and strategies, and I'll see you guys on the next one. God bless each and every one of you. Gone.